Philippine Day. Hello guys, welcome to Life in America with Nelia, and today we're featuring the Philippine Day 2024 here at Minnesota. Here you go, enjoy! Judy. Are you having fun, Dave?
Yeah, it's a good time, honey.
You like it?
I do.
Good, good.
Especially since it cooled off.
Yeah, it was too hot earlier, but
Yeah,
now.
it feels good now.
Yeah. You wanna dance tinikling too?
No, I just want to watch.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the signature dance tinikling from the Philippines. Chuba Chuba, Chucha. So, let's take a trip to Manila for this jeepney. Manila, Manila, let me take to Manila.
You guys, thank you so much for coming out and supporting Filipino culture!
Filipino you! Filipino you!
Filipino.
Filipino me!
That's Jared or Jador.
New member for
Filipino martial arts. Pero mo, senior na pala ako dito sa Minnesota.
Senior Philippine Minnesota. So, Judy now is joining the club.
Welcome to the crazy group.
So, madami na pong maingay sa
Manila.
Yeah.
Malapit ka na rin.
Oh, acceptance speech. Acceptance speech, you're a certified.
Oh my God! I'm already a senior citizen in Minnesota.
Congratulations.
55 years old above.
You make it.
60 above. Hindi dito sa 50 above. Ay, ang Minnesota 50 above ng senior.
Okay, over the above ka
Kaya
na.
ang benefits ko dito. Exactly.
What are the benefits?
What are the benefits of member of the...
Let's listen to them. What are the benefits of being member of the
I
senior?
want you to introduce our...
Where is the president?
Who's the president? Susan is the president.
The president.
Oh,
Tita.
I found a crazy group.
Wait. What's your name, Tita?
Dali Tap.
Dali. Just stop it. Just stop.
So when I tap, she paid.
Yeah. They called it Magic Tap.
Ito yung mga crazy group in Minnesota.
Okay. So, maghanda na po kayo.
I have an idea next year. We have a desk here and said, anybody want to be a member of the senior sign up for $10? Yeah.
Yes.
We're going to give them for $10.
Okay, congratulations, my dear.
She should attend the first meeting so we can formally introduce her.
Exactly. Okay, attend ka ng first meeting.
Okay.
The president?
President.
Okay.
Senior, ano ba to?
Senior promise me.
Senior high. Senior high.
Ano ba na yung senior? Judith.
Judy and Nelia. Hindi pa ako senior. Magbayad ng $10.
Magbayad ka na ng $10.
$10 lang po. Oh, $10 lang po ang pinagkakita namin dito. What are the advantages of being or benefits of being a senior high?
Benefits? Laughter. Fun. It's more fun. Yes.
Laughter.
You can engage in any activities like bingo.
Wow, gusto ko yung bingo na yan.
Gusto mo namin bingo? Bingo Palace.
But then it
Oh, I love that.
Alright.
we have monthly meeting more than once.
Okay.
Oh.
Ang ganda mo dito, te.
Uy, kainan daw, Judy. Kainan.
Then pagbago, may initiation, magdadance daw kayo.
Magpapalitsyon ka, girl. Ikaw. Yan, magpapalitsyon. Yan. Chicken feet. Sagot ko, chicken feet.
Ay, sayang. Gusto ko rin yan ang dancing na yan.
Birthday to you, happy. Happy birthday to you, happy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday!
So we left that for last. It was fun. We had a good time.
Good time! I like the humba. Did you like our food?
It was awesome.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
that
it was
came from
really
Kusina. Kusina food is really amazing. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching Life in America with Nelia, and bye-bye. See you in the next live. See you in my next video. Bye.